asked those 3 questions. Who am I? Okay? Not that when you answer, immediately you'll find answers. I asked, who am I? And then I paused. And it was a question that was always with me, whether I'm attending to a client or a patient, whatever. It was something that is at the back of my mind. Who am I? And then the second question was, where do I come from? I mean, I've landed here. Surely I must have come from somewhere to find myself navigating in this physical terrain. So the question of who am I, it's not a riddle to be solved. It's an invitation. When you start asking yourself, who am I? It's an invitation to explore.
Yeah.
It's not a question towards your final destination. There's no destination. There's no thing that we call the final destination. When you understand, or when we understand that we are on a state of forever becoming and evolving in this cycle of life. It's not linear, it's a cycle. So there's no destination, because in the lessons, as you travel in your own journey of self-discovery, you'll realize that some experiences, some lessons are actually repeated, in a sense that you seem to be experiencing the same thing over and over, and you experience that because you haven't actually awakened or gathered the message from the lesson itself. So it keeps on, you keep on the onion peel, you keep on repeating the same onion layer, you're trying to remove it, but it's not being removed because you need to actually touch the cracks of it and gather the information and be empowered from the experience itself.